Oncology. He is joined as a Director of Medical Oncology. Dr. Chaitanya Shroff, Senior Surgical Oncology, more than 20 years of experience, worked as an Assistant Professor, Australia, and joined as a Consultant GI Oncology. Dr. Akash, Medical Oncologist, please stand up. Every faculty, please stand up who have recently joined. He has done from Adyar, Chennai, and he has joined as a medical oncologist, young and dynamic. Dr. Vinay Bora, trained at Canada, he has joined in the hemato-oncology group. I have joined as a gynec oncology in the team. Bone marrow transplant at Apollo CBCC by Dr. Chirag Shah and his team. For this felicitation, I like to invite the father figure, Dr. Pankaj Shah, senior most medical oncologist of Gujarat, to please request Mr. Ramesh, our CEO, our dynamic CEO, to escort him. And I request him to come on the stage.
Even I request Dr. Shakuntala Shah of Western College, please come on the stage. East Frontier Medical Center, New York, Wayne State University, Detroit, Michigan, Diploma at American Board of Medical Oncology, Diplomat, Medical Board of Hematology, Diplomat, American Board of International Medicine. He has various achievements and teaching sessions at various forums in India, author of several articles and books. He is a member of American Society of Clinical Oncology, American Society of Hematology. He is also a member of Medical Society of Blood and Marrow Transplantation. His main area of interest is stem cell transplantation, bone marrow transplantation, and today we felicitate him. I request Dr. Pankaj Shah, Dr. Rajesh Kumar and Dr. Shakubai to felicitate our Dr. Chirag Shah with a memento and a citation. Best luck for future.
Gandhi, Chirag, Bharat, my whole family is here, actually. The family has moved to now from Bangla to a bigger Bangla, and they are doing a good job. I'm very happy that academically sound system is being probably visualized by me at our particular center at Apollo CBCC. Chirag has done 100. Now, every year he will be able to do 100 because the learning curve has come on. He has learned everything. The one thing which I am very much proud of, particularly the system he has developed, and Bharat has conveyed me, and many times I have talked to him, that he has developed a team, that certain things which he does. If the infection comes or something else comes, he depends on the other specialists. So team making is the success of your story, and anything which comes in Ahmedabad and improves its academic, it is given to Ahmedabad. It increases the standard of the medical care in Ahmedabad, and we are proud of all talented people sitting here in this crowd and outside also, because that makes Ahmedabad probably a better and better medical center of the country. And probably nothing in Ahmedabad is, everything is done. Everything is done in Ahmedabad, and that makes us all proud. Ahmedabad is a center of excellence for medical care. And now I was asking Purves to make this presentation shown to the intern while they are entering in the field, shown to all the postgraduate going for the practice, and for all the medical colleges. Ahmedabad is going to produce about 1,000 doctors every year. And if this particular, and the way in which he has visualized the amount of burden of the medical legal cases to be increased in the state and in the country, probably before starting practice, if this is being told to the doctors, and many hospitals they don't know. If the person has no money, go to somebody else. The same ambulance is being directed from one hospital to another because the person has come without money. All this, whatever the law for the country is there, if we are not aware, the hospital may also have to suffer. Thank you very much. Purvi's call, I have written down something, notes I have prepared for myself, and it is too late for me to learn so many things, and few things I cannot pay. And Chirag, congratulations. Now, again, the felicitation of 500 Punnar transfer, I will be there to felicitate you on a personal level.
Dr. Chirag, we'll wish this program occurs again and call everybody again. That we will decide. I request
Why to wait up to 5 minutes?
that Dr. Chirag will answer. I now request Dr. Rajesh Kamran to say a few words on this occasion.
I would like to share with you that I have been having my run-ins as administrator with Chirag Shah. But whatever he does, it is for the patient's benefit. And ultimately we realize that it is he who has brought so much of name, fame and good name to our organization as well as to Ahmedabad. It is his hard work, dedication and commitment which has brought him these laurels. I wish all of us will take some lessons from his dedication to the profession. Believe me, Dr. Chirag never shies off when it comes to the cause of patients. And believe me, another thing that we realize that when he comes, that time he may feel bad why Chirag is always so demanding, but then later on we realize that he doesn't demand anything for himself. What he does is for his patients. I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to Dr. Chirag Shah on this great achievement. Thank you very much.
Now I just invite Dr. Chirag Shah for exceptional speech and just highlight his work and his team for the success.
બહુ અગત્યની મોમેન્ટ છે આજે અમારા માટે, અમારી ટીમ માટે. 100 ટ્રાન્સપ્લાન્ટ સુધીની જર્ની બહુ રોમાંચક રહી છે, અઘરી પણ રહી છે, મહેનત ઘણી છે. બટ ઇટ ઇઝ we've enjoyed it, and as it has been explained by Sir, Pankaj Bhai and everybody else, that it is a team effort and it is a very big team. In fact, we recently felicitated our team members in a function in Apollo. In a small function, there were 130 team members. So, we unfortunately could not take care of everybody, so only 130. Now, in this audience, in this program, I would like to call upon the names of the few of the team members, because 130 અહીંયા બોલાવીશું તો સ્ટેજ નાનું પડશે, but at least few of them I would call upon the key people, and I apologize for those who I cannot call upon for the sake of time and space. So we call Dr. Arun Karanwal, Dr. Maharshi Desai, Dr. Pushkar, my sister, Sonal sister and Dhanya sister, and Dr. Sanjay Gupta. And I would like to thank all the administrators, the CEO of Apollo and Apollo CBCC, and all my elders who have extended support to me always. And Dr. Kamran very nicely put our fights that we have had in a very sugar-coated nice, that he comes and he always comes for the patient. But thank you, sir, and thank you, Mr. Ramesh, for accepting all our fights in the right spirit to make this program successful and for that quality Sometimes we had to do all that. I would also like to thank my family, my wife Sonal and my children. ઘરે પહોંચીને પણ પાછા યુ આર સ્ટીલ એટ વર્ક. મારા છોકરાઓ કે તમે પપ્પા કાયમ ફોન પર જ હો છો. અને I heard that Dr. Arun's wife has also started complaining that. So welcome to team. Congratulations.
No, I'll finish it fast. You don't need to. Good afternoon. I know it has been an extended day and that too on a Sunday morning. If I take all the names, I'm sure it will be another session which will be much more extended than what it happened now. Special thanks to Dr. Purvish Parikh for having come and enlightened all our medical fraternity on what they do not know, or probably what they are less informed of. Mr. Gandhi for accompanying Dr. Purvish in this mission, and the hero of the day, Dr. Chirag Shah and his family, for having accepted, this small gesture towards his great work. Of course, as Dr. Kamran said, we always love those encounters because we learn a lot. He said, Dr. Kamran said he learned administration from Dr. Chirag, but yesterday we knew he has another administrator, which is Mrs. Sonal Shah. Thank you. Because she solves half of our problems, Thank you. Thank you, Rajesh, for a wonderful arrangement. Thank you. And one special thanks to Dr. Bharat J. Parikh. His meticulous micromanagement of this delegates on the stage, but his micromanagement right from the bouquet to the citation, everything with the team and with Rajesh's team is amazing. Thank you, sir, and thank you one and all. Please join us for lunch. I know it is delayed. We will not delay any further. Thanks one and all. Thank you. And special thanks to Dr. Rajesh Kamran for rushing from the Air Force meeting to this.